Hey, what's up, TikTok? This is Wolf bringing you more of those blue-collar basics. So today we're going to try something new. We're going to piggyback off of my tape measure lesson, and we're going to test you out. So after I get done talking here, pictures of a tape measure are going to pop up, and you're going to find a white arrow pointing to the measurement I want you to know in your head. Keep track of how many you get right and whether or not you think this was useful. I really want to know, I want as much feedback on this as possible. Let me know how this helps, or if it does. If so, I'll continue to do this. My plan is to have a series of these, and for it to get progressively faster and faster and faster as it goes, kind of get you more acclimated to reading a tape. So again, here comes the questions. At the end, let me know how you did, please. So, how'd you do? And are you ready for the faster ones? That's the key right there, to get quicker with this, not even have to think about it. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments if it was. And as always, let's make it a great day.